Do you want to learn portrait, beauty, and outdoor retouching? If the answer is yes, you are in the right place. I am Marcin Mikus, photo retoucher and Photoshop instructor. For years, I have been exploring Photoshop to finally settle in retouching area. I know how difficult it is to find the right course where you can learn retouching for different kind of photography. That's why I came with this course where I cover different retouching with different images. In this course, you will get over 40 lessons of content, and what's best, you will also get a lot of high quality raw images. So you can follow me and my retouching as well as practice retouching on your own. Except that you will get great actions and other resources which allow you to speed up your workflow. Don't worry if you are just a beginner, because we are going to cover whole process from very beginning till the final touch-ups. At first, I will show you how to do raw processing using Camera Raw as well as Capture One. And also, don't worry if you are a little bit more advanced user. I believe you can find a lot of new information on processing and retouching your images, as well as color grading techniques. If you want to become a retoucher or just retouch images as a hobby, this is your chance, and I will see you in the first lesson.